can't escape. Soul is crying, heart full of pain, cold as ice, roll the dice. The cards you may play have an impact. Looking back to the start of your darkest days, look in the mirror and see half my face. Can't go back, no starting again, so give me a match and I'm sparking a flame. I'm back with a vengeance, something like righteous, running right by years, giving dope lines, ass cracking a sentence, rapping a venue packed to the entrance. And I feel defenseless, feel nothing but a gap in my senses. I feel trapped and congested, so I spit bars, that's how I vent them. Me, I'm trapped in my sentence, like I was doing 20 to life. And it weighs heavy on my shoulders, cold as the weather of the night. And some say cause I rap pitch black, not one day I ain't never gonna shine. And I feel detached from the rest of my life, but I can't kick back, I ain't never gonna lie down. Cause I was taught, from a young age, time ain't bought, and life is short. And things are given to those who face it, not to those who wait, but to those who take it. For nothing and something, you gotta find your dreams and go chase them. Whatever the weather, I got a right to make it. I got a right to make it. Got life and got a mind to break it. God-given, a God-given talent, and I ain't got time to waste it. Being wasted, so I say this with my heart on my sleeve. This year I'm taking charge of the scene. Ain't nobody gonna try and copy what I've done, cause I can't master the art of a beast. Let's get one thing straight, I ain't gonna dumb shit down, even keeping it underground. Tell the haters I run this town. Replicate, but we see through the see-throughs, F the fakes. I'm an up-and-comer, but forget the age, cause when I hear me spit, the road left a maze. If you're standing up, get swept away. Man, I ain't got a second away, so F the pay and F the fame. I do it for the feeling that I get when I wreck the stage. Walk out to an envelope, get my pay.